Hello, I'm Roger from Fish Window Cleaning, 4 years experience, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Screen Magic. First, what you want to do is brush the back side, then the front side, then the back side, and then the front side again. And then what we're going to do last is apply the Screen Magic. So let's start with the dusting. Back, you're going to want to brush the side that faces the window last so that you put the dirt on the outside of the screen. So then you use the Screen Magic on this side to wipe the excess dirt that's left after brushing. So this is the back side. Give another once over. Pretty good. Now when you spray the Screen Magic, you don't want to spray it in grass or on somebody's cool deck, and you want to spray it in the rock somewhere that is not going to. Alright, so for the last step, we're going to apply the Screen Magic. When applying the Screen Magic, you want to do it either in the rocks or the grass, away from the plants and away from cool decking and pool. And once you get it all wet, what you're going to want to do is take a clean microfiber and rub it in. You can make circular motions up and down, but what you want to do is you want to make sure that you wipe all the same way so that you're not leaving up and down marks or any side to side marks. So make sure you wipe it all in the same direction. Alright, so you're going to want to watch it dry as you're wiping it to make sure you don't miss any spots. A dry spot will look gray, that's where the Screen Magic was flat. And then you're left with the clean Screen Magic screen. Cut.